Talk about how can you disable private message on your Clapper app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. Just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, so you just go down here. So you click here in this sign down here, just click on it. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. You go above this sign, click on it here. So when you just click on it in this list here, it's going to take you to this list. Click here on push notifications. So then it's going to take you to this list. So then it's going to show for you like this. Click here on app notifications. Come here to private message. Click in this sign on this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's main private message notifications disabled with us now. So that's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.